Hey guys, welcome back to Am Stories. My name is Vas. So we actually moved home again, and this place is quite cold, and that's the hoodie now. So it's actually 8 degrees and it feels like 5. It's really cold, and today I want to show my wife that I can do a better dosa, a dosa in my language, better dosa than her. So I'm going to put some science into it. So let's get started. So here we are. We bought a batter from a local store, local Indian store. It's quite big, eh? All right. So unlike Italy, do you mind? Okay, I'm about to tell you, like, unlike Italy, dosa has a different consistency. So the batter is same. You can use both Italy batter for the dosa. It's not a bad thing actually, but the consistency must be different. This is the batter we bought from a local store, and this is what I'm doing. So the consistency, you can look at the consistency here. So this is thicker, and for dosa it has to be semi-fluid. This is the consistency. It should be like a running consistency, but it's not like a thicker one. You can see that, and this is the difference. So okay, the stove is set it up now. I'm going to switch it on. Nope. Now it's on. So normally what I do is with this tawa, I don't use oil because it's already pre-marinated. So when the tawa is hot enough, it's not really hot now. I need that perfect temperature. I don't have a measurement tool now, so I'll just feel it with my hand. I think it's quite good enough now. And here is our batter. Okay, I think that's ready now. I'm gonna pour a little bit on the center. Then you see, you should not press the batter in. There has to be some sort of friction, but it's far enough, then it can be spreaded evenly like this. It's beautiful. And my wife likes sesame oil. I'm not a big fan of sesame oils, but yeah, I'm cooking it for her. So let's do this. To make this crispier, the more the oil, it becomes more crispy. But too much oil is not good for health. I think this is too much, but anyway. Another factor, people use silicone spatulas, but I don't really like silicone spatulas. I love the wooden ones. It's quite rigid, and you can easily squeeze it. There's another thing becomes very good thing with dosa is you have to leave some air between the tawa and the batter so it can get crispier underneath. So every quite some time you have to lift it up for the air to move around. Let's get this crispy. You see, always the first trial, it's not the best. You won't get the best dosa because there may be some factors like tawa is not hot enough, or the batter is not runny enough, or you are lifting the dosa when it is not crispy, or the thickness of the dosa batter which you have laid and spread it out, it's not thick enough. I mean, it's not thin enough. And those are kind of factors. It has to become from 1 or 2 trials, then you can get the hang of it. Just don't worry about it. And luckily my first dosa has come crispy, and it's little browns there. I love it. I know she's gonna love it. Okay, let's take this out. That's one dosa, and now we are going with the second one. Every time you're taking your batter out, and you have to beat it because it gets settled at the bottom. You have to make everything like evenly running enough to go on the tawa. Press this. Same thing. And oil. And here you go, my perfect crispy thin pepper dosa. Second time. Okay, I need to pat my shoulders now. Alrighty guys, come back later for more, and I'm going to challenge my wife to do a better dosa than me, and you can expect that video sooner sometime. I don't know, I'm gonna persuade her to make a better dosa than me. Come back to our channels, please subscribe and be safe. Thank you.